Hey everyone, today we're going to be installing wheel locks on our Tesla Model X. These come directly from Tesla's website and they sell for about $50. If you're looking for a non-Tesla website version, you can get these Magard wheel locks directly from Amazon. I think they make these for the Model 3 and the Model Y. But the need for these wheel locks is self-explanatory. Teslas have exploded in popularity all over the place and the wheels are in high demand. So in order to reduce the likelihood of our rims getting stolen, we're going to try to lock them down with the wheel locks. Now I know that these aren't going to completely prevent the possibility of the rims getting stolen. If someone really wants these rims, you could probably find the key if you really wanted to. But I will say if a criminal had to choose between a vehicle without wheel locks and one with, they'd probably pick the one without wheel locks just because they want to get in and out and do their thing. So we're going to make it less likely that someone wants to take these rims, just buy a relatively cheap insurance policy with the wheel locks. So the installation process is really simple. Basically just pop off the covers on the slipstream wheels. So before you start, you're going to want to make sure you have a 22mm lug wrench to unscrew one of the lug nuts and to screw in the wheel lock. So here's the lug nut, the stock lug nut off. We're going to replace it with the actual wheel lock, which is also a lug nut, but requires a special key to unscrew. So before you hand thread the wheel lock back onto the wheel, you want to make sure that the wheel lock key is connected to the wheel lock, so it's easier to hand thread that on. And once you've hand tightened the wheel lock on, you can do the final tightening with the same lug wrench on top of the wheel lock key. All right, now it's fixed on the wheel and we can replace the cover. All right, that was a quick 2-minute installation. I think this is something that almost anyone can do on their own without needing professional assistance. So you basically repeat the process for the other 3 wheels and you'll hopefully have a set of wheels that's better protected against others who like to take your rims. And hopefully you'll never need that insurance, but you have it in case you need it. So thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next video.